Hello! Hello everyone, and welcome to an unboxing video. Now, today I will be unboxing Thomas and Friends Trackmaster Celebration Metallic Nia. Yeah, let's unbox it then. Now, I've got Metallic James, Metallic... So right now I've got all the Metallic engines from the Metallic series. Yeah, so I don't really need to get any more of them. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna do this. Try this. There we go. So she's out of the packaging. No, she's not out of the packaging just yet. I'm gonna try to get her out of the packaging right now. Right now, hey, there we go. We unboxed it. Well done, everybody. Well done. We've unboxed her. We've unboxed her, everybody. We've unboxed her. So first we'll have a look at herself. So this is Metallic Nia. Herself. There we go. Camera focused. Yeah. Here's the front of her. Here's the back of her. The other side of her. Oh no! A car playing really loud music. Here it comes. Never mind. It's fine. It'll just be in the video, won't it? It might be in the video. So this is Nia's wagon. Basically, it's a metallic, really shiny metallic wagon. Yeah. And also Nia comes with this. Now this is what all the 75th characters come with. Golden coin. Yeah. Golden coin. 75th golden coin. There we go. There we go. So thanks for watching, guys. All my videos are for general audience. Thanks for watching and goodbye. See you in the next video.